Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly delicious and fascinating to share with you all. We're diving into the world of Japanese cuisine and exploring one of its most beloved dishes, Oyakodon. But here's the twist. We'll be uncovering some maximum unknown facts about this mouthwatering meal. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Oyakodon? Oyakodon is a traditional Japanese dish that literally translates to parent and child bowl. Now, you might be wondering why it has such a peculiar name. Well, that's because this dish contains two main ingredients, chicken, representing the parent, and eggs, representing the child. Fascinating, isn't it? Oyakodon's unique combination of flavors and textures makes it a beloved comfort food in Japan. The dish consists of tender chicken pieces and beaten eggs cooked in a flavorful broth made from soy sauce, mirin, and dashi. All of this goodness is then served on a bed of steaming rice. It's simple, yet incredibly satisfying. Now, let's dig into some maximum unknown facts about Oyakodon. Did you know that Oyakodon has a fascinating origin story? It is believed to have been created by a mother who wanted to make a quick and nutritious meal for her family. She combined the ingredients she had on hand, and thus, Oyakodon was born. It became an instant hit and gained popularity all across Japan. Here's an interesting fact. Oyakodon is part of a larger group of dishes known as donburi, which means rice bowl in Japanese. Donburi dishes typically consist of a bowl of rice topped with various ingredients like beef, pork, seafood, or vegetables. Oyakodon is just one delicious member of this family. Now, prepare to be amazed. Oyakodon holds a special place in Japanese culinary history. In 2011, it was officially recognized as a soul food of Japan by the Japan Soul Food Association. This recognition highlights the dish's cultural significance and its deep connection with the people of Japan. Here's a fascinating twist. While Oyakodon traditionally uses chicken and eggs, there are variations that cater to different dietary preferences. For those who don't consume meat or animal products, vegan Oyakodon substitutes chicken with tofu, and eggs with vegan-friendly alternatives like scrambled tofu or plant-based egg replacements. It's a wonderful way to enjoy the flavors of Oyakodon while respecting dietary choices. And there you have it, folks. Oyakodon, the beloved parent and child bowl, is not only a delightful comfort food but also a dish steeped in history and cultural significance. So, the next time you visit a Japanese restaurant or try your hand at cooking, give Oyakodon a try and savor the flavors of this remarkable dish. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy cooking.